buddy of mine that works at Express Lube and Tire Engineers, I believe. So come with me. Let's get these put on. This car needs them. They're going on the daily, so let's get it done. Alright, got the oil change and just left the car there for the tires and alignment. We're gonna look around Home Depot, see what's happening up here. We got a lot of time to kill, so we're gonna check out Academy Sports. See if they got anything cool in here. Maybe they have some GoPro stuff. Yeah.
Can't be recorded in the store.
How's that?
It's posted outside. We don't allow recording, videotaping, or
is it?
pictures taken in the store.
Oh, okay. I didn't even see it. Alright, so we got the tires on, back in the car, heading back to the house. The alignment was a little bit off, so they got that straight for me, and I actually had some loose exhaust that I had them tighten up, so that's better. New tires, alignment, fresh oil change, she's good to go. So if anybody in the Columbia, South Carolina area needs work done, is Express Lube and Tire Engineers. Good guys up there. Ryan Polk is my go-to guy for anything that I need, like service-wise and whatnot with all of our cars. So check them out, and hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, hit the like button. If you haven't subscribed, please do that, and we'll see you on the next one.